Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the oil I'll be using on my hair. I'm using the mint oil that I bought from the supermarket. That's supermarket I got it from. I'll be adding my Jamaica dark castor oil and my olive oil. You can find this oil from any shop, for example supermarket. Some supermarket have international products, or you can also check some African shop to if you want like castor oil or mint oil. I have my applicator bottle, but you don't really need bottle if you want to use oil on your scalp. You can use wherever you want. This is what I have and this is what I'm using. So first I'll apply my Jamaica dark castor oil in the bottle, while I add my mint oil and my olive oil. All right guys, let's talk about a bit of mint oil. Mint oil is also known as peppermint oil, and it's an essence of peppermint extracted into an oil. Some peppermint oils are stronger than others. The strongest type are made using modern distillation techniques and are called essential oils. Peppermint essential oil is the most common type of peppermint oil available for purchase. It can be used for health, beauty, and for cleaning purposes. Peppermint contains a compound called menthol. Menthol is responsible for many of the benefits of peppermint oils. Menthol also gives peppermint its taste, smell, and cooling sensation. Some people like to apply mint oil directly to their scalp, while you can also add it to other household oil like coconut oil, jojoba oil, shea butter oil, olive oil, or any other oil of your choice. After putting them all in the applicator bottle, all I do is put it in a warm water. So this warm water is going to help the oil blend properly together, because the castor oil is a very thick oil. So I want everything to blend properly or to mix properly. So applying it to my scalp is going to be more easier and more better to massage.